You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more Spanish names, Portuguese also, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Yes, this is sometimes the Portuguese spelling of the Spanish surname, or the surname that is otherwise in Spanish known as Rodrigues. In Portuguese, the pronunciation is Rodrigues. In Spanish, the pronunciation is simply Rodrigues, including in Mexico, Latin America, South America, Rodrigues. Now, in English, the pronunciation, how you can easily say it if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, Rodrigues, Rodrigues from Spanish. Spanish pronunciation, Rodrigues. In English, how to pronounce Rodrigues. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.